Listen to Louis Farrakhan.
We are telling you that the great Mahdi, whom the Muslim world is looking for, has already come. He is that great master, Farad Muhammad, who didn't come in the East, he came in the West, fulfilling what Muhammad said would happen, that the sun would rise in the West in the latter day. The sun is not the day sun that rises in the east and sets in the west, but as all spiritual light came to the world from the east, and the prophets of God that were raised for the west all came out of the east. But here we are in America, where no prophet of God has ever been raised. So today, God has come. The light that was to come out of the east, coming to the west, has come to the west, where the eagles are gathered together and where the carcass of a once great people are, and that light now is among us in the head of Elijah Muhammad and his student fulfilling the scriptures. The people that walked in darkness have seen a great light. Upon them hath the light shined. And that light that is now shining from the west is going back to the east to stir the east, to reform the world of Islam, and to bring into existence a new Islam that would be the guidance for the hereafter. The time and what must be done.
You all heard it from the master himself, the preacher. Drop your comment below. This is Oku-Ta-Kpo TV.